meet up with old Hot Wheels and try to give y'all a little ride along in old Red. He's got a 6.0 back in it now. And for those of y'all that don't know, old Red is his 90 model step-side Chevrolet truck. And I think one of the first videos we ever did, it had a 6.0 in it. And he ended up pulling it out and put a 5.3 back in it for a while. And now he's got a 6.0 back in it, cammed, carbureted, and it's actually a LQ9. I think he said it was 40 over. Sounds pretty nasty. He said it was pretty nasty, so we're about to go find out. Luckily, I don't live too far from town. And old Hot Wheels said he had to go to O'Reilly, so I figured I'd run up here and meet up with him and give y'all a little ride along now that he's got the 6-liter back in it. Well, there's O'Reilly's. I don't see no Hot Wheels just yet. I literally just come from town not even 10 minutes ago. I come up here to meet Hot Wheels after he got off work. And I told him I was coming, but his little ass tore out, didn't even wait on me, didn't answer the phone or nothing. So y'all gonna have to get on his ass for that. Luckily, I don't live too far from town, so it ain't no big deal. Yeah, finally. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. Man, you shut it off too fast. Yo.
Fun. I just put a ball joint in it.
Well, no wonder it spins at 80. You got slick tires on it.
They wasn't slick.
Made them slick?
Yeah. What you think that is?
What'd that come out of?
My old lady's Mustang.
Sucker sounds good. Sounds like it's got a lot more ass, that's for sure. I guess we're gonna follow him to his house. He's got a little something going on with the rat rod over there. We're gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. Hopefully we don't get rained on. And you see it's kind of dark over that way. That's the way we're going. Hot Wheels lives like 3 minutes from Mexico, so we're gonna run over to Hot Wheels' house, show y'all a little something he's got going on with the rat rod. And then we'll head out to Mexico there. Got the dump. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, you can tell it gets down a lot more than that 5.3 did. Got to go that way. It looks a little more clear that way, so hopefully it won't be raining down there. I will. The Joker likes to play. If that was my daily driver, I'd be playing all the time too. Hell. I'm talking about. Yeah.
Only forward piece on my Chevrolet.
Sneak peek. Show y'all what Hot Wheels got going on. Y'all ought to like this one. Ooh.
Better not.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Turbo time.
78 millimeter. 75, 78. Pick it up like that.
Hell yeah.
I got shit all in it. I've been looking for that.
Yeah, that makes jobs easy. I need to get me one of them damn things.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I gotta fit this a little bit more over there. And then I gotta rip it all back apart. I didn't put no camshaft back in it. It's got no lifters in it neither. No
Just
push.
4.8 or 5.3?
5.3. It's motor out that one.
Oh yeah.
Can't you see the orange?
What all we got with the 6.0 LQ9?
Yeah, it's 40 over.
40 over cam. What heads are on it?
Some goodies. The same shit that was on the other motor.
243s.
Yeah. Or 799.
799. Same difference. Hell yeah.
I got 3 of these.
Oh man, you got a little pond out here too, don't you?
Yeah, fuck that. We don't even talk about that. But I gotta make the crossover tube be going to the bottom. What you think about the homemade manifold?
Yeah.
And I gotta finish the wastegate. I'm finna do that.
It looks like it'll work.
Well, it ain't got no slag in it.
It don't look too bad actually. For old Harbor Freight welder, huh?
Yeah. I gotta make me a core support and all that shit. I just haven't done that yet. This, I'm hoping the guy that tunes it.
Is that a Trailblazer intake?
Yeah.
Or
Say it's worth some good power.
New body style.
Yeah. They say it's worth some power.
Yeah, that's what I've heard. Especially over them style truck intakes.
Well, that's later on. I'm just trying to drive it with the boost. As it is, it's gonna be scary as it is. Look at that motherfucker like that. That thing's gonna look mean. You see that? That thing's gonna look mean.
Hell yeah. I'm ready to see it done.
Oh, me too.
Which carburetor on here? Which carburetor you got on here? Yeah, I figured that. Boy, that would suck if I dropped my damn phone right now. Yeah. We got some line here. What we got here? Oh, we can do a little fishing while we wait on Hot Wheels. We got another one here. Oh, there it's hung up. Here, let me quit playing around before I drop my damn phone. I need a ride, man. I need a ride.
It's spinning bad.
Oh yeah, that's all she's doing is spinning. Hell yeah. Everybody been asking for the 6.0 back. She finally got her.
I can't believe it. I think it's gonna blow. The converter's stretching. If you didn't notice that.
Yeah, I had.
It's supposed to be a 3500. It's supposed to lock up at 3500, and you know, and not stretch anymore.
Yeah, I used one of them JX converters in that behind that 408 my C10. After about 80 mile an hour, it was blowing through bad.
What it feels like. My PTC converter, I'm finna send it back off and have them work you. They ought to be able to tighten one up, huh?
Oh yeah, they can do whatever you want. Send that joker off.
3200 converter this
You
time.
tighten it up, loosen it up, whatever you want.
I think it needs to be tighter. What do you think? I'm losing
Well,
wheel
it's just
speed.
hard to tell with it just spinning.
I'm losing wheel speed. You can't improve without actually improving. You can say it all day long, but if you ain't making steps forward, you ain't doing shit.
Hell yeah. Alright, well there y'all go. A little sneak peek on what Hot Wheels has got going on with the rat rod. It won't be long, a little rat rod will be making noises and stuff like that. So that'll be fun. Quick little ride along and a couple little burnouts there in old red with the 6.0. So he said it's a 6-liter LQ9, which is a flat top 6.0. 799 heads. It's been shaved, and obviously a hefty little cam. I'm not sure what cam is in it. And like I figured, he's got the 850 carb on it. Plus he's got around a 200 shot of gas on it too. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this quick little video. I'm almost home now, and my phone's about to die. It's literally got 2% left. So we're gonna end this one off right here. Y'all just stay tuned for more videos and let us know what y'all think, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Later.